Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix banner -101 in League of Legends. So here's the first thing you have to do is check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So if you're using Ethernet, you want to make sure that the cable is properly connected, obviously. Or you want to restart your router and then try and check if your connection stabilizes. If you're using Wi-Fi, also you have to check, like, if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to make sure you have like the full signal. Obviously, the best performance and the least losses will be through Ethernet cable. But if you're stuck on Wi-Fi, just make sure that it's like stable, or at least it has like as many bars as possible. After you've done that, you want to check if there's like packet losses with your internet connection. And if you have packet losses, you can contact your ISP provider and then hopefully they should be able to help you. But to check the packet loss, you want to type in packet loss test. And I usually use this one, the Cloudflare internet speed test, and it will measure the jitter and everything else. Also let it run through its course. It will test the upload, download, the latency, everything that is like important for like game to run properly without any interruptions. More so for Valorant, but also for League of Legends. And it will say here, for some reason it says here average, I don't know, but whatever. But it says it should like be at least all good, or like above average, I guess, I don't know. And then you can, if you scroll down, you want to check this. It says here packet loss test, and it says 100% received, so there's like no packet loss. So if you have this, if it's like 99% or lower, you have to contact your ISP provider and then like tell them that you have packet loss, and then hopefully they should be able to help you with that. The next thing you want to do is exit out of this. The next thing you want to do is go to search, type in CMD, click run as administrator, allow it, and then check which DNS server is faster for you. So you want to type in ping. You want to select the window and type in ping 1.1.1.1 and then enter, and it will do the calculation. And it says here the minimum, the maximum, the average. You want to look at the averages. If they're dissimilar, then, and now you want to type in again ping 8.8.8.8. One DNS is from Google, the other one is Cloudflare. So whichever has like the average minimum, you want to use that one. For me, it says here it's 8.8.8. And now I'll show you how to change this. You want to exit out of this, or you can like leave it on to cheat, like to not forget which one has lower. You want to close this out, go to search, type in network. It says network view, network connections. You want to double click on Ethernet. Click properties. You want to find IP Internet Protocol version 4, and you want to click on this. Use the following DNS server, and you want to switch this. For me, it has been on this. You want to switch it to 8.8.8.8, or if it's 1.1.1, which is faster, you want to put it here. And the alternative for 1.1 is 1.0.0.1, and for the other one is 8.8.4.4. and after you're done that, you want to close this out. And the next thing you want to do is check if the leak has an exception for firewall. So you want to type in firewall and then check firewall status. And you want to click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Click here, change settings, click allow another app, and you want to go browse. Local disk C, Riot Games, Riot Client. You want to make sure you add both Riot Client. Add, I already have it, but for you it will add it. And then you want to go back to see Riot Games, League of Legends, and you want to find the EXE, which is this one with the most kilobytes. So League Client. You will double click it, add it, and I already have it. As you can see, hold on, right? As you can see, I have Bright Client, and you want to make sure it's ticked for both private and public, and the same for Lung Launcher. You want to make sure it's ticked for both, and after you've done that, the last thing you have to do is, before you restart your PC, is go to search, type in run, and run, you type in this services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. You want to press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it. It will say here manual. You want to switch it to automatic. Now the delayed start, just automatic. Click apply, click OK. After you've done this, you want to go back to search one more time. Type in system configuration. Go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC, and you want to untick it, and you want to take it back again, click apply, okay, and it will ask you to restart your PC one more time, and after you restart your PC, your game should work fine. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Bayonetta -101 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comments. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.